Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin in Settings, open Screen Time, and tap Turn on Screen Time. Choose whether this is your iPad or a child's iPad, because that determines available controls. Once done, set a Screen Time passcode to prevent changes. Make sure it's different from your device unlock code. Also enable Share across devices if you want limits to apply to all Apple devices signed into the same Apple ID. These steps lock and control and let you proceed to configure app and downtime rules. Now configure app limits and downtime. Tap App Limits, add categories or individual apps, then set daily time or custom days. This prevents overuse on specific weekdays. Next, schedule downtime for device-free hours and make sure to allow essential apps so calls and alarms still work. Use Always Allowed to exempt select apps from limits. Once you've applied these settings, Screen Time will start tracking usage and enforce limits automatically, giving you measurable control over app habits. Finish by monitoring usage and making adjustments. Review the weekly Screen Time report to spot high-use apps and tweak limits. This helps you balance productivity and leisure. Configure communication limits and content and privacy restrictions if you need tighter controls. If Screen Time isn't enforcing, verify share across devices, correct Apple ID sign-in, and confirm Screen Time passcode. If you forget the passcode, try Apple ID recovery. As a last resort, you may need to erase and restore the iPad to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.